Nutritional Powerhouses, 8 foods that pack a nutritional punch. Sure, we all know that we're supposed to eat a balanced diet to contribute to optimal health. But all foods are not created equal when it comes to health benefits. Some foods are nutritional powerhouses that leave the others in their dust. Here are some of the more interesting, and in some cases, not widely known, foods that pack a nutritional punch, listed in no particular order. 08. Chia Seeds. Yes, we're talking about the same chia seed that was used in the chia pets that were all the rage beginning in the 1980s. Chia. But instead of spreading them on terracotta surfaces, watering them, and watching them sprout into all sorts of green and fuzzy pets and people, health-conscious people now recognize the chia seed for what it truly is, an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, with good amounts of protein, fiber, calcium, and magnesium along for the ride. Bonus, it's gluten-free, too. Easily digestible in its whole form, chia seeds can be sprinkled on foods or mixed with liquids to form gels or puddings. 07. Kale. Kale has been the darling of the health-conscious crowd for a while now. There are several antioxidant-rich forms of this leafy vegetable, which is derived from the cabbage of the mustard family. Kale is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K and also contains protein, fiber, calcium, and alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid. Studies have demonstrated that consuming kale has several health benefits, such as helping to combat heart disease, cancer, cataracts, and macular degeneration. Kale is often sautéed or steamed, but it can also be eaten raw in salads or baked to a crisp. 06. Quinoa. Quinoa is the edible seed of the plant of the same name that has been a staple crop in South America for a millennia. The tiny seeds are high in protein, not to mention that quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it one of the few plant sources for complete protein, and are also high in fiber and oil and are a good source of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, zinc, copper, vitamin E, and a number of antioxidants. It is also gluten-free. Quinoa is commonly boiled like rice and can be used in sweet or savory dishes, or ground as a flour to fortify baked goods. 05. Walnuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid. They are also a good source of copper, magnesium, and phosphorus. In medical studies, walnuts have been shown to lower cholesterol and improve cardiovascular function. Walnuts can be enjoyed as is or mixed into baked goods, salads, stir-fries, and other dishes. 04. Blueberries. This tiny berry is excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and iron, as well as a number of antioxidants, including anthocyanin. Studies have suggested that there are myriad benefits to consuming blueberries, such as reducing the risk of a heart attack, fighting cancer, and warding off cognitive decline. These delicious berries are commonly eaten fresh, baked in a dessert, or mixed in a smoothie. 03. Tart cherries. Tart cherries are full of antioxidants. A serving of this small fruit, its juice, or its concentrate contains more anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant, than servings of most other fruits and vegetables. Tart cherries also have anti-inflammatory properties. Various studies have found that consuming tart cherries, tart cherry juice, or tart cherry juice concentrate can help improve our health in several ways, including by helping repair muscles after strenuous workouts, reducing inflammation in joints, improving sleep, reducing the risk of stroke and diabetes, and aiding in weight management. 02. Hemp Seeds. The diminutive hemp seed certainly qualifies as a nutritional powerhouse. This tiny seed packs in a good amount of fiber and protein and is rich in vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. Hemp seeds contain all essential amino acids and are also a good source of essential fatty acids, like omega-3 and omega-6. Hemp seeds can be consumed by sprinkling them on a variety of foods, blending them into smoothies, and mixing them into recipes while cooking and baking. 01. Teff. This little grain, really little, it might be the tiniest grain in the world, long a staple in parts of Eastern Africa, is gaining global recognition because of its incredible nutritional value and versatility. It is high in several vitamins and minerals, including calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin C, and it's also high in protein and fiber, and is gluten-free. Teff can be ground and used as a flour, or eaten whole in a variety of methods.